What's going on, y'all? Not the real Will Smith, and another for your mommy. So today I went to the mall. I lied, I did not go to the mall. Today I went to the post office. I had to turn in some receipts, send them down south because of file taxes. Use your receipts and you kind of get deductions and things like that for, you know, if you got business, whatever case may be. But I go there, turn it in, and I got two different pieces of mail. First piece of mail was just general paperwork as far as like my military side stuff, and then I got like this weird orange package, and the mailman said he thought it was from Temu, and I was like, I've never ordered from Temu, never ordered from Shein. I don't think I ever will in life. Like, yeah, the prices are good, but you know, it's quality over quantity, you know, or quantity, whatever you want to call it. Anyways, we about to open it up. I have an idea of what it is, but I don't know because I have things I ordered and they're all saying pending. So this package, probably seen an orange, thought it was Temu. No, that's just orange wrapping. All right, off camera, I went to the car wash and I just cleaned the interior real quick. Had a lot of dirty marks, especially on the sides, the pillars and stuff, and the handles. I ain't really worried about the carpet, that's just age. I think it's like burn spots. But went through the whole interior and just wiped everything down as good as it's going to get for 300,000 miles. And I'm going to the car wash. I have a monthly subscription, so I can wash it many times as I want. I'm just gonna go vacuum all this crap, get the carpets, vacuum the weather mats. That side ain't that bad, just a little ashy. But yeah, definitely the carpet there. And then I'm gonna do the back seat, that side and that side. And then yeah, it's kind of awkward because I don't have my stand on me, but we're gonna work on my arm today. Alright, it's pretty loud out here. I just finished vacuuming the inside of the car, and now we're actually about to head on base because I'm going to show you guys what I'm doing now. As I take care of the car, clean it up inside and out. I washed it, waxed it yesterday, did the tire shine and all that crap. And I'm gonna do a separate video eventually on the tire shine I use because it's pretty good, but I wanna actually do a summary of it probably a week from now, just to see like how good the tire shine is when like the rain or dirt and crap hits it and I rinse it off, and you know, so stay tuned for that for sure. But we about to head out. We're on base now. Pretty old Saturday, man. 71 degrees out here. Look at the car, man. Look at the car. I'm supposed to be making a thumbnail right now, but it's just such good lighting. I want to just show you guys. Let's look at the whip real quick, man. Man. So that tire shine I was telling you guys about earlier is called Perma Shine, man. I see that joint on Instagram a lot, YouTube. And I went and tried it out last night. I had some spots I had to touch up today. If you look real close, you can kind of see I still do got some spots to touch up, like kind of right there. But if you're far away from it, you can't really tell. It looks really good. This is, again, the first day. It needs 24 hours to really cure, so I'll say by tomorrow. But the true test is to see the rain and elements hitting that tire. And I do drive a lot, so I'm very curious to see what it's going to look like a week from now when I kind of do my next car wash. You guys can tell the car is previously painted. You really can tell the chip marks. There we go. You see all that right there? There's previously, what the Kia call it, spicy red. 2012. The red was the same color as the interior too. Yeah, some pitting, some chips. You guys really tell I watched it yesterday, but it ain't perfect. It actually needs a wax, a compound, and a polish actually. From far away, it's good enough. The sun's reflecting off of that joint. Gonna do the rims as well. Not hubcaps. Starting to rust a little bit. Put some protectant on there because we are in New York. The bottom ain't really bad, if you guys can see. It ain't really bad. I do need to protect this piping though, for sure, before the winter. Oof. That tip looks so good. Tommy tip. Then we got a SpinTech muffler. I think it's a 9000 series. You guys look at my previous videos. I have an exhaust video separately just for this car on YouTube. I think it's like maybe 4 or 5 videos down. You guys will see it, hear it, and everything. That's the package. Look at my bad decisions right there. Yeah, man, I just want to take a when I walk around the vehicle. It's my workout bag. Might have to cover that up. Seat covers came from Amazon. Permashine is his own company, but it came from Amazon. Apple CarPlay system right there. Aftermarket, just plug and play, came from Amazon. That rearview mirror that doubles as a dash cam came from Amazon. All right, y'all, I got my mount on. Y'all can see right there. Ooh, man, Amazon is great. All right, so y'all about to see what I seen. I don't need those. Y'all gonna see what I seen in this package. They're 2 different colors, oh man. It's a bright red. And now that I see my red, it's kind of burgundy. It's all good though. It's all good. I pay a little extra bread for my name on there and shit, but yeah, I pay a little extra money for that. But it's all good. It's better than nothing. The biggest reason I got this though, y'all, is in the wintertime. It doesn't matter if I'm here in New York, but when I'm here, I don't want to have like salt and stuff touching the carpets. Carpets are pretty shot, but I don't want salt and stuff touching the carpet. So that's where these weather mats are gonna come in handy at. I'll just put these in the trunk for now. But like later on for sure, I'm definitely gonna put these over the red. I don't want nothing to happen to them. Yeah, I'll just put it in there like that. Ain't gonna hurt anything. Fit and finish. You know, it's pretty cheaply made. It's pretty cheaply made for sure. I ain't expected to be like luxury. I think I only paid like maybe 60 bucks for it. But when you only get the front for the price, I'm pretty sure the other half is coming. But these by themselves had to be done a certain way. And then look at this, all the little fluff and stuff. Like, yeah, it looked like they rushed to do this. Like look at this. Like, what is this? Like, definitely rushed to do this. Just package it up. Some Temu packaging over there. But you can't really beat that though. yeah. So also on the website, they had more little clamps than just this one. Like more clamps than just this. This clamps on the side to keep them in place, but I don't know. And the biggest thing that's just throwing me off is my red. I love the color red that's in my car because it kind of looks like that same red that's in the kind of Dodge series vehicles. It's not that super bright red like these carpets are. It's like that maroon. Like, oh man, I love this. Get out of here. Freaking fly. Oh, asshole. But yeah, I love that. So I won't, if the other pieces don't come in for what I paid for this is gonna get like a 1, like between a 1 and a 3. Because it's not as advertised, and that's kind of, you know, a deal breaker for me. But if the others come in, I'll give it a 5 because it did come in earlier than I expected because I did not know what the heck this was this morning. I do appreciate that. And they did put my name in here, my YouTube handle in here like I asked. And I do appreciate that. Let's see. Not terrible. Not the best either though. Definitely saving these for the winter time. I foresee that red fading a little bit. Oh! Now he came closer. You bold. I'm trying to make you run away. There's a snake over there.